Hi guys, today we gonna learn how to make easy paper flower making DIY easy and amazing paper crafts. So you need some required materials. Take 3 shape of different color paper, 3 into 5 cm, 4 into 4 cm, 2 into 30 cm.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Take 3 into 5 cm paper and crease it. Then cut a shape with scissor. You made a leaf. Now take 4 into 4 cm paper and crease it. Draw a line on it with a pencil. Cut it through the line. Wow, you made a beautiful flower. Make it more like that. Now take 2 into 30 cm paper. Crease it for a creasing shape. Now open and glue on it properly. Crease it again. Take 2 leaf and attach on it by glue. Take a flower and attach on it by glue. Make it more as like showing on the video. Keep attaching. Make a new shape of paper and put it on the middle of the attached flower by glue. Make it more. Okay, now see how beautiful of your making flower is. So by this you can make more easy paper flower making DIY easy and amazing paper crafts.